Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video of AP Knowledge Point. 13 June 1999. Tololing had been recaptured. Across India, there was a celebration. But for the soldiers on the front lines, there was no time to celebrate. The enemy still controlled a chain of towering peaks overlooking the Dras sector. Among them stood one of the most important objectives of the war. Point 5140. Whoever controlled this peak controlled a major section of the battlefield. The mission ahead was incredibly dangerous. The climb would be almost vertical. The enemy was heavily fortified. Failure meant losing momentum. Success would open the road to Tiger Hill, and from this battle, a young officer would become a legend. His name was Captain Vikram Batra. Why point 5140 mattered? Point 5140 was one of the highest enemy held positions, dominating the Tololing complex. From here, enemy troops could observe the Indian movement and support neighboring defensive positions. After the victory at Tololing, Indian commanders understood that the advance could not continue unless point 5140 was captured. This was not just another mountain, it was the key to the next phase of Operation Vijay. The order was clear: capture the peak at any cost. The young officer. Among the officers preparing for the assault was Captain Vikram Batra of 13 Jammu and Kashmir Rifles. He was known for his fearless attitude, calm leadership, and unwavering confidence. His men trusted him completely. He led from the front. He believed an officer should never ask his soldiers to go where he was unwilling to go himself. That leadership would soon be tested under the harshest conditions imaginable. Planning the assault. Indian commanders carefully studied the terrain. Enemy bunkers were positioned to dominate the obvious approach. A frontal attack would invite devastating fire. Instead, assault teams planned to climb from unexpected directions under cover of darkness. The soldiers would move silently over loose rocks, icy ledges, and steep gradients. Every step had to be coordinated. Every movement had to remain hidden until the final moments. Surprise was their greatest weapon. Into the night. As darkness covered the mountains, the assault began. The soldiers climbed in silence. No lights, no unnecessary conversation, only the sound of boots on rock and the cold wind sweeping across the ridge. The higher they climbed, the thinner the air became. Every breath was a struggle. Then, enemy positions detected movement. Machine guns opened fire. Tracer rounds cut through the darkness. Grenades exploded across the slope. The battle had begun. Leadership under fire. Despite intense resistance, Captain Vikram Batra continued leading from the front. He encouraged his men to keep moving. The assault teams closed in on the enemy bunkers. The fighting became fierce and close range. Bunkers were cleared one after another. The defenders were forced to abandon their positions. By dawn, Indian soldiers had secured point 5140. It was one of the most significant victories of the Kargil War. Ye Dil Mange More. After the successful capture of point 5140, Captain Vikram Batra reported the mission's success over the radio. His message became legendary. Ye Dil Mange More. Originally a popular advertising slogan, those words instantly took on a new meaning. Across India, they became a symbol of courage, determination, and the fighting spirit of the Indian Army. Captain Vikram Batra was no longer known only within his battalion. The entire nation now knew his name. The road opens. The capture of point 5140 transformed the battlefield. Enemy positions around Tololing became increasingly vulnerable. Indian forces gained a stronger foothold for future operations. Most importantly, the victory brought the army one step closer to its next great objective, Tiger Hill, the battle that would capture the world's attention. A hero's journey continues. Although point 5140 had been secured, Captain Vikram Batra's story was far from over. New missions awaited. Even more dangerous objectives lay ahead. In the days that followed, he would once again volunteer for combat. His greatest test was still to come. Point 5140 had fallen. India's advance continued, but towering over the Dras Valley stood the most famous peak of the Kargil War, that is, Tiger Hill. Its steep cliffs, fortified bunkers, and commanding position made it one of the hardest objectives of the conflict. Military analysts believed recapturing it would be nearly impossible. The Indian Army was about to prove them wrong. In the next episode, witness the breathtaking night assault on Tiger Hill, a battle of courage, endurance, and determination that became one of the defining moments of the Kargil War. So, if you want to know how Indian soldiers climbed Tiger Hill, how the final assault unfolded, and why 4th July 1999 became a historic day, don't miss the next episode. Subscribe to AP Knowledge Point and turn on the notification bell.